sayang.
Si sayang.
Hello everyone! Ngayong araw natin samahan nyo kami dito sa San Ramon Beach para sa aming FIAD team building / anniversary. Yes, mag-isang taon na pala yung organization namin sa We Deserve a Celebration! Ang FIAD pala of Fostering and Inspiring Youth to Achieve Dreams organization ang isang organization na tinayo namin last year para sa mga kabataan sa aming community upang maging engaged sa mga activities sa lugar namin. So vamos, and join us on our FIAD team building!
Wait daw. Gawa mga hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I've invited you in. Ooh, I've shown you a real good time. The best you can have without having to sin. But I must admit to having such a motives up my sleeve. But I think
Okay, we're ready.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. Are you ready?
Wait!
Lahat ng games natin is hindi siya more on logical. More on logical.
Okay. Unsa na, Jing? Unsa yung mga aerodynamics?
Saan nirama ko? Cigarette. Saan nirama ko? Okay, bye.
Ako na ng president. Tignan yung president namin.
Okay, ako pa ba?
Nagpapaganda. So, okay. So, our first game is called Animal Noise. May idea kayo? Okay. So, atong
Wala.
game is
Nadri man naman oh.
First, explain. Bago na pa-explain ng mechanics, grouping set.
Okay. 1,
2, 3.
John.
Cheater. Okay. So, okay. Nakaisip na sila ng mga noise nila. Okay. Before na mag-start, let's hear first group. Unsa inyong kuan? Oh my God, it's giving. It's giving.
Meow, meow. Out. Are you ready, group 1? Yes. Are you ready, group 1? Yes. I can hear you. Yes, we are. 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 We are group 1.
Okay, blindfold. The moment I say play, amo na to ha. Okay. 1, 2, 3, play!
Apil din eh.
How are you? So how are you?
So yours.
Dai.
Saan siya? Saan siya? Kasama sa niya, isang manay na.
Sige, nagpapahinga pa kami.
Ayo, Pak Jumare.
Jumari ang puti.
Muna bong. Bungo si Mali.
Diba? Bungang mo, sayang.
Si sayang.
Ang problemado man ka. Group 3 got it right. Group 3 got it right.
Tama na.
Yay! Very good! Ang tagal-tagal talaga mo ba bumaba ng Santo Domingo. So, while waiting for the sun to rise down, rise down!
Waiting for the sun.
We are waiting for the sunset kaya para mapagpatuloy namin yung ano. Pan na kasi ito siya iring pa lang. Iring pa lang ito siya, di pa siya tigre. Kulang pa siya guan.
Di siya nga lang.
Ano, waiting pa kami sa sunset. We are so excited for the next session because
Walang tawa kapag
for the
wala
next
yung
session,
cellphone mo.
we are strengthening the
Matitula
bond.
dun sila tao.
Yes,
Pero
oo.
pag may cellphone na, nandito sa cellphone.
Papatiin pa, bag.
Papa ko si Papa.
Before pala nagsimula yung aming team building / outing, we confiscated lahat ng mga cellphones nila. Kapag kukunin mo, kapag kasi kukunin mo yung ano, mga phones nila, nakakapag-focus sila.
Ako daw, ako daw ko.
Nag-explain ko.
Si Kuya, speaker dito sa balay. Dala na yan.
Kasi kapag kinuha mo,
Joke.
kapag kinuha kasi yung mga phones nila, mas nakakapag-focus sila.
Dala bastos?
So, I am explaining the podcast.
Oo nga, pahinga na boy. Ay,
Babastos nyo.
Diba? Dito lang tong phone nila.
It's so hot, you know? Tura pa sa tindahan.
So for this exercises,
you for
may nakuha kaming name.
Thank you for rain.
May nakuha kaming name, ano. Diba? Isusulat yung names. Isusulat yung names and then ibibigay yung names sa random na tao and then isusulat mo yung message mo sa kanya doon.
Ako.
Chanchan! Chanchan! Magpunta ka!
China, sinasakop yung Philippines na wala kang pake.
Oh!
Ano kasi yung nonchalant?
Maminaw mo kay Bongbong Marcos.
Nonchalant. Uy, baon mo. Ina. Bagot.
Kambiyan. No, dapat na tuloy-tuloy lang. Dead man na. Di na mabaot to? Tulo-tulo ka ikot eh. Mabaot? Ha? Tulo ka ikot. Kasi pag may nana, makabalo ka. Oo, sige na.
Oh! Oh!
Okay na?
Narateo. Saba. Sa yung ginagawa.
Wala pa.
Teo na ka.
So what if like we
Pinsa
get
wala
our
dyan,
own
no?
paper?
Okay na?
I love you, Seb. Ganun.
Pa lang ako.
Nung bata pa ako, tinuluan ako nagsabu. Sa rikodo. Ay, yun lang. Nakabidyo. Anyways, we are just joking. What's your name? What's your name?
Juju, Jay.
Hindi na makatawa dyan.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my bullshit till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. I have made a lot of mistakes. I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Hi ka muna sa vlog. Hi sa vlog. Michelle, anong masasabi mo? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Stay strong. Ano,
Walay forever! Hi ka muna! Eh!
Bakit kasi nagtatago ng mga tsinelas? Yan tuloy. Oh. The first group na... The first group na...
I've heard the rumor, I've heard the talk on the town. They say you're a loner, they say that you ain't sound. But I don't believe any of that. I've got a whole nother view. Yeah, I think there's a treasure waiting for someone to prove himself worthy or true. Yeah, like a dandelion, my love stuck roots for you.
2 minutes pa lang.
Like a dandelion, my love's gonna break right through. Those concrete flames will all be laid to apart. And my dandelion is gonna reach your heart.
Bawal mamugod! Bawal! Bawal mamugod! Sige na!
I've been